What's up, Scotty?
Not much, just trying to get some work done on the 62 bird, sorry, until the parts show up for the Mustang so we can do the Mustang. So we wanted to do the power steering belt, and we're looking down, and if you guys can see that.
Yep, see it moving back and forth.
So that's part of the problem. The belt is way too loose, and we're having an issue adjusting it up. So we're going to try a smaller belt, see if that will alleviate the issue, and we can start getting this to drive and be quiet like it's supposed to, because there's not much left and it leaves. I mean, it'll be gone. So hopefully that'll take care of that. But until then, we got to get this thing drivable easier so that it's not taking any chances on the pump. We're not taking any chances, you know, on the lines or nothing like that. So let's get this loosened up. We'll go with a smaller belt and go from there.
Sounds good. All right, guys. So we actually got the belt tightened for right now, so we can actually turn without it, you know, fighting, or we can actually have power steering. So I'm actually taking it around the block just to double, triple check everything, just until we get some parts coming in for it. It's a lot better. It's not fighting. It was making a big old screeching sound because the belt was loose, and then the steering would get really tight. But yeah, this feels a lot better. So yeah. So the red T-Bird's coming along. It's nasty out today. Dirty. First time I think this thing's been taken out and got this leg stretched a little bit. Had to go get some fuel for her this morning. She's a lot happier. Some fresh gas in there. But yeah. Too quick. Know what's coming. Cool. So, yeah. Yeah, before, guys, I mean, it would start fighting itself. It's a lot better. Like I said, at least until get some parts in and to move it around the shop yard stuff. Not a convertible fan, but this thing looks cool when the top's down. Windy. All right, guys. It's a quick little update for you. Deuces, guys.